In this video, I'll compare Cash App and PayPal to help you understand which one is better for low-fee money transfer. Both apps make it easy to send money digitally, but they work differently depending on how you use them. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Let's start with Cash App. Cash App is designed mainly for peer-to-peer money transfers. You can send and receive money using a phone number, email address, or cash tag. Standard transfers to your bank account are free, while instant deposits usually include a small fee. Cash App also offers additional features like the Cash App Card, Bitcoin support, stock investing, and direct deposits, making it more than just a payment app. Now let's talk about PayPal. PayPal is one of the oldest and most widely accepted online payment platforms. It's commonly used for online shopping, business payments, invoicing, and international money transfers. Sending money between friends and family can be free when using a linked bank account or PayPal balance, but fees may apply when using debit or credit cards. PayPal also charges fees for instant transfers and many business-related transactions. One major advantage of PayPal is its global acceptance. Many websites, businesses, and online stores support PayPal as a payment method, while Cash App is more focused on personal transfers within the United States and the United Kingdom. If your priority is simple and fast peer-to-peer payments with minimal fees, Cash App is often the easier and cheaper option. But if you need online shopping support, business tools, or international payment options, PayPal may be the better choice. Overall, Cash App is usually better for quick personal transfers, while PayPal is stronger for online payments, international use, and business transactions. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.